If you're a business student and don't know what we mean by variable costs, make sure you watch this video. So variable costs are any expenses that will change directly with the level of output. And when we talk about the level of output, it just means the number of units a business is producing and selling. And the way we calculate our total variable costs is that we take the variable cost per unit and then multiply this by the number of units. So an example of our variable cost per unit could be to do with our raw materials. So let's say I'm producing my water bottles, and in raw materials, the variable cost per unit is £2. And then in my business, we produce 10,000 units. So I do £2 times by my 10,000, which will give me my total variable cost of £20,000. Now the way we draw our variable costs on our graph, first of all we identify the y-axis, which is just a pound sign or any currency that we're using. On the x-axis we have the units, also known as the level of output, and then we draw our variable cost line with a slight gradient going up and to the right. Now the reason why we are going up and to the right is because, as we can see here, as the level of output and the number of units we produce increases, the total variable costs begin to increase. Let me know in the comments below of any other examples of variable costs that you can think of.